Have you ever wondered how your computer understands the code you write? In this video, we explore the fascinating world of compiled versus interpreted programming languages through a clear comparison between C and Python. Compiled languages like C translate the entire code into machine language before execution, resulting in faster performance and efficiency. On the other hand, interpreted languages like Python execute the code line by line, making them easier to debug and perfect for rapid development. We'll dive into how these two approaches affect speed, memory usage, platform compatibility, and more. Whether you're a student or an aspiring developer, this video will give you real-world examples, pros and cons, and practical insights to help you choose the right language for your goals. Like, comment, and subscribe for more programming tips. And don't forget to check out the full blog post linked in the description for visuals, infographics, and deeper comparisons.